smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Nice to see you again. Alright, now let's continue to learn our phonics sound. Okay, this time we have this. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Okay, now let's say it together and don't forget the movement. Pretend to be a plane with your arms out like wings and say Okay, one more time. Let's do it together. Yes, good job, kids. Okay, now let's try to write the sound together. Okay, we write in the air with our pointer. Okay, now let's draw the line from the top to the bottom and then going up and make curve forward. Okay, one more time. Let's follow the arrow. Okay, make the line from the top to the bottom, going up and curve forward. Yes, you did it. Good job, kids. Now, let's try to say the things or the objects that start with sound. Okay, can you please tell me? Yes, you're right. Net. Okay, what else? Very good. Necklace. Okay, anything else? Good job. Nose. Alright, what else? Yes. Nut. And then? Good job. 9. Yay! Very good, kids. Okay, now it's time for riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is part of our body and we use it to smell something. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's a nose. Yay! We did it friends. Yes! Alright friends. See you in the next riddle. Bye-bye!
So, now it's time for us to spot the sound. Okay? Alright. I have this word. Nest. Nest. Can you spot the sound? Where is it? Is it in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Yes, you're right. It's beginning sound. Good job. Okay, next I have yarn. Yarn. Where is the sound? Good job. It's the ending. It's at the end. Ending sound. Very good. Next I have rain. Rain. Where is the sound? Very good. At it the end. So it's ending sound. And the last one I have tennis. Tennis. Can you spot the sound? Yes, kids, you're right. It's in the middle. Yay! Very good. Alright, now let's review. Okay, one more time. Do you know what sound is this? Yes. Alright, now let's write the sound together one more time, okay? Come on, follow the arrow. Make the line. Very good. Yay! Good job, kids. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.